Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6a. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. And if you need any other help also, so you can contact also. Now, question number um, 6 is here is a table is given here. Prepare any one of the project out of the given below is. So complete the table given below of contaminant survey. So here is a table given here. So you have to complete it, and here are the four sections given here. So two sections are filled, and but two sections are not filled. So in this one we have filled all the answers accordingly. All the questions of this assignment. If you need this, you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly.